Yeah, mean value theorem. Let's say there is a function. The graph is something like this. If you consider any 2 points a and b on the graph, let's say a, let's say this is b, and c lies in between of a and b, somewhere around, let's say here. The thing is, if you join these 2 points a and b on the graph, this is called a secant line. This is a straight line, right? When you join 2 points, we get a straight line.
Straight line.
Slope is equal to, slope of a straight line is like this, dy by dx, change in y by change in x. Slope means m is equal to dy by dx. So let's say y is equal to f of x is the graph. For x is equal to a, function value will be f of a.
X.
For x is equal to a, function value will be f of a. For x is equal to b, function value will be f of b. So when you apply the y2 minus y1 formula, let's say in interval a to b, in a to b space, between a to b, so slope formula will be y2 minus y1. It's like second y minus first y upon, like this. The concept says that if there is a number in between a and b, there lies c, there is a number c such that it's a slope f dash of c. Function is f of x, f dash of c is equal to like this. So graphically speaking, look at the graph.
If for y-axis we have to take f of a and f of b, right?
Yeah, f of a and f of b, y values at a and b. Y values.
Y and
This
b,
is f
okay.
of a. This is f of b.
B.
So f dash of c means it is a tangent line, like this. So basically what I'm saying is this slope, this line slope and this line slope are equal because they will be parallel.
Oh yeah.
Parallel lines means same slope. So the concept is there lies a c in between a and b such that f dash of c is equal to fb minus fa upon b minus a. This is the concept. This is about Lagrange's mean value theorem.